Hello once again, guys. This is Ryan here from Investing Simple, and in this video today we're going to be explaining the current free stock promotion that is going on with the commission-free trading app known as Webull. Now, Webull is notorious for changing their promotions every couple of weeks. So this is the current promotion as of this video, but if you want the most up-to-date information, go ahead and Google Webull free stock and click on the link to Investing Simple, where we're going to be updating that article regularly on the current free stock promotion available from Webull. Now, this current promotion through Webull is good until November 30th, and after that, they're probably going to roll out a different promotion, so check on our website if you want the most updated information. And of course, if you want to get all of these free stocks, you do have to use an affiliate link. You can use ours down below or somebody else's if you want to support someone else's channel. So based on the current promotion, you're able to get up to 4 completely free stocks when you open and fund an account with Webull with $100 or more. You get the first 2 completely free stocks just for opening up the account, and those are worth anywhere from $2.50 up to $250. Then, if you open the account and fund it with $100 or more, you're gonna get 2 more completely free stocks worth anywhere from $8 up to $1,600. Now, the normal promotion that Webull runs is just 2 completely free stocks, one when you open the account and then one when you fund it with $100 or more. Essentially, what they've done here with this November promotion is they've doubled that and they've allowed you to get 4 free stocks instead of just the 2. And of course, the free stock system is based on a lottery, so odds are it's going to be a lesser value stock, but it could be up to that larger amount on the other end. According to Webull, the odds are 1 in 100 that you will end up with a free share of Facebook, Procter & Gamble, Starbucks, or Snapchat stock. And the odds are 1 in 50 that you'll get a free share of Google, Facebook, Procter & Gamble, Starbucks, Kraft Heinz, or Snapchat stock. So it could be a higher value stock or it could be a lower value stock. It's all based on a lottery system. So anyways, guys, there you have it. That is the most updated free stock promotion going on with Webull. Like I said, for the most updated information, go ahead and Google Webull free stock and click on Investing Simple. We're gonna update that article every time the promotion changes, so you know exactly what free stocks you're going to get. And of course, if you want to support this channel, feel free to use our affiliate link down below. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe and hit that bell for notifications, and we hope to see you in the next one.